Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about fractions. Okay, this is your teacher. This is Crow J. Alright, so today I'm gonna teach you how to deal with fraction. But before that, we are going to review first what is fraction. Okay, by definition, fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, fraction is formed like A over B, where A is what we call the numerator, and we have B is what we call the denominator. Okay, so remember that the number above this one is called as numerator, and the number below is called as denominator. So that is a form of fraction. So an example of a fraction, you can have this one. Okay, since a fraction is a part of a whole, we can have this example. We have 1 over 2, or we have here 1 half. This is 1 half. Another, we have this 1 over 4, or this is read as 1/4. Okay, 1/4. All right. So these are example of a fraction. You can also have 1 over 3 or 1/3, 1 over 5 or 1/5, 1 over 6, 2 over 5, so on and so forth. That is an example of a fraction. So now, to justify that it is part of a whole, so you can have this one. Example, we have a whole pizza. 1 pizza. Okay. 1 pizza, I want to share it to my friends. I have 7 friends, including me. We are 8. So I will divide it into 8 slices. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 slices. Okay. So each friend, including me, will receive 1/8 of the pizza because I divide it into 8 slices. Therefore, each one of us will receive 1/8 or 1/8 of the pizza. So if we are going to add all this 1/8, so we have 1/8 plus 1/8, another 1/8, another 1/8, another 1/8, another 1/8, and another 1/8, and lastly we have another 1/8. So if we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 since I divided the pizza into 8 slices. Because there are 8 people, so divided equally. Therefore, each people or each of my friends, including me, will receive 1/8 part of the pizza. So to justify this 8, 1/8, this one, if we are going to add all of this will give us 1. That will go back to 1 pizza. Okay, 1 pizza. All right. So if we are going to add, remember we have numerator and denominator. Since the denominators are the same, okay, they are the same. So all you have to do is just copy. Okay, you are going to copy. Therefore, it will be like this, over 8. And then you are going to add all the numerators. We have here 1 plus 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 1. This will give you 8. Therefore, we have 8 over 8 is equals to 1. Therefore, the whole pizza divided by 8 people, each people will receive 1/8. Therefore, 8 1/8 will give you 1 whole pizza. Alright, so there are types of fractions. There are 3 types of fraction. We have the first one is proper fraction. The second one is improper fraction. And the third one, we have mixed number. When we say proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Example, we have 2 over 5, 1 over 2, 1 over 3. So as you can see, the numerators are less than the denominator. So 2 is smaller than 5. 1 is smaller than 2. 1 is smaller than 3. You can have 9 over 11 because 9 is smaller than 11. So that is an example of proper fractions. Okay, so let's proceed to the second one. We have improper fraction. And this one, improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. As you can see, we have 8 over 1. So 8 is bigger than 1. So another example of improper fraction, we have 3 over 2, 5 over 4, 9 over 3, or 9 over 4. Okay, as long as the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Another type of fraction is mixed number. Okay, another type of fraction, we have mixed number. When we say mixed number, it is a mixture or, yes, a mixture of a whole number and a fraction, a proper fraction. A whole number and a proper fraction. Example, we can have this one, 2 and 1/2, 3 and 2/3, 5 and 1/6, 7 and 3/4. Okay, so these are example of mixed numbers. Okay, that's all for an introduction of fractions. So next video will give you operations on fractions. So that's all for today. Goodbye.